In this video, we'll show you exactly how to get rid of thrips safely and effectively. Thrips are tiny, slender insects that feed on plant sap, causing leaves to turn silver, curl, or become speckled. If left untreated, they can severely damage houseplants, flowers, fruits, and even crops. Fortunately, with the right methods, you can eliminate thrips and protect your plants. Let's get started. Thrips are very small, about 1 to 2 millimeters long, and can be black, yellow, or brown. You might notice them crawling on leaves or see their damage first. Silver streaks, small black dots, which are their droppings, or deformed growth. Gently shake an affected plant over a white sheet of paper. If tiny bugs fall out and start moving, you likely have thrips. If you're dealing with indoor plants, immediately move any infested plants away from healthy ones. Thrips spread quickly, so isolating them early helps contain the problem before it gets out of hand. Start by physically removing thrips from your plants. Rinse leaves with a strong spray of water in the sink, shower, or outdoors. For delicate plants, use a damp cloth to gently wipe both sides of each leaf. This won't remove everything, but it reduces the population before treatment. Spray your plants thoroughly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Both are effective, plant-safe treatments. Be sure to coat the tops and undersides of leaves, where thrips often hide. Repeat this every 4 to 7 days for at least 2 weeks, or until the infestation is gone. Neem oil also helps prevent eggs from hatching. If parts of the plant are badly damaged or crawling with thrips, it's best to prune those areas and dispose of the trimmings in a sealed bag. This reduces the number of active pests and helps your plant focus on healthy growth. Place blue or yellow sticky traps near your plants. Thrips are attracted to the color and will get stuck on the surface. These traps won't eliminate the infestation but are useful for monitoring and reducing adult populations. Thrips thrive in warm, stagnant environments. Increase airflow around your plants with a fan or by spacing them out. Keep your plants well watered and healthy. Strong plants are better at resisting and recovering from pest damage. If your infestation persists after several weeks of treatment, or if you're dealing with thrips in a greenhouse or large garden, consider calling a professional pest control service or horticulturist. They can recommend stronger solutions or biological control options like predatory insects. With a little effort and consistency, you can get rid of thrips and restore your plants to full health. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more home and garden tips, and share your own thrips fighting strategies in the comments below. Happy plant care!